I told you not to touch anything.
I'm sorry, I thought that was a loose cable. I just wanted to.
Irrelevant. If you want to find this flickerwick, we better split up. Just sound off if you find anything.
I'm professional eagle caller.
At least someone is competent. Now come on.
I can't let them get any closer to Pops.
So you know where your kidnapper is? Then we better split up. Sound off if you guys find them.
Here, take some firecrackers. Just don't be near them when you throw them. Oh, whoops. This must have been someone's hunting trap. Folly spill. I'd better rearm it.
Identify yourself.
Oh, I'm Wisbin.
And what are you doing here?
I'm rearming a trap I accidentally stepped on.
And did you set this trap?
No, I'd never make a trap of such poor quality. I mean, poor Hunter must be starving.
You're just passing through then?
Yeah. Might take a while though. This trap's in shambles. Not one knot isn't rot.
Well, I ought to sort this trap that has my attention bought.
It's not one brought out for a small lot, but its design is shot.
If given lot, then surely...
Can you guys stop insulting my defensive traps and stop rhyming? It's got me distraught! Damn it, I'm doing it too! Sorry.
Wait a minute.
Oh, poppycock.
Who in the Elder Spark are you?
Oh, I got the signal. Ow, 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 god damn it, ow.
Oh, no. You're not laying any hands on my friends here.
So, you're working with the Flickerwick?
No, leave them out of...
3 versus 1. You're still outmatched.
Your math is wrong there, bud.
We are stronger. It's more like 6 versus 4.
Maybe, but we have magic on our side.
Ah, so the witch does.
Concussion spell!
God.
You're familiar in appearance. Weren't you, comrade?
I wouldn't know. I never worked with turn-coating snowflakes.
Thought you were a recruit. Appearance is only...
Let me dance like a bug on a cinema screen. Take my hands out the world and its pyramid schemes. I'm in love with the groove and the baby love me. Oh mama, got the heart of a dancer.
Hey, tackle head.
Mama, got the heart of a...
What did you just call me?
Jesus then came up to me. He said, boy, you're gonna lose yourself if you believe in blues. In blues. I showed him my crazy beats and
You're coming. No choice.
it's sweet, it's true. It's true. Well, I'm a freelancer with horrible dances, but sweet is my heart.
So, you want to play that game, huh?
I'm sorry I didn't attack it. It was defensive. I just cried that since.
Oh, you damn and your mother was with a...
You shouldn't say that stuff!
Yeah, I know.
Let me dance like a bug on the cinema screen. Get my hands out the world and its pyramid schemes. I'm in love with the groove and the baby love me. Oh mama, got the heart of a dancer. Mama, got the heart of a dancer. Mama, got the heart of a...
swing.
Let me dance like a bug on the cinema screen. Shake my hands at the world and its pyramid schemes. I'm in love with the groove and the gravy love me. Oh mama, I got the heart of a dancer. Mama, I got the heart of a dancer. Mama, I got the heart of a dancer.
You come back here! You're dead! Got that?
You fought well. Don't let me regret spurring you today.
Understood. Thank you. Mortimer, get off your face and help me drag this brute home.
Alright, Sergeant.
Also, take notes. A defeat isn't a loss as long as we learn from it.
Sure thing, Sarge.